Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the fast charger DC18RC by Makita. This awesome fast charger will get power into your batteries. Oh, that's nice, really nice. It has an capacity of the batteries with 18 volt, and you can load on this device from 1.5 ampere hour to 2 ampere hour, 3 ampere hour, 4 ampere hour, 5 ampere hour, 6 ampere hour. This is all what you are able to load with this nice fast charger. Yeah, there it is. You can see at the left side of the device there is a plug or a dock. On the right side there are some LEDs with some informations and symbols on top. So I have there a battery, 18 voltage and 5 ampere hour. That means this will matches to this nice device. You can use on this loader here other different lithium-ion batteries, of course, because this is a multifunction loader, and it is able to do this with 18 voltage, of course, but you can also load on this cartridge system the others. There are so many different symbols. There is a house symbol. That means there is only indoor use only. So you do not have to get this tool into the rain or swimming pool or in the ocean. It has a double insulation, and there is a symbol for charging and a symbol for delayed charge, battery cooling or too cold battery. That is a van plus a measuring thing, and conditioning program is inside this. That means there's a battery with a tool on the side, and there's another symbol for do not short batteries. That means this battery does not match, and do not expose battery to water or rain. This is information for you. And of course, you are for the charging way, plug this battery in position. That means plug the battery charger into the proper AC voltage source. Charging light will be flashing green color repeatedly. Now we are going here on the back side of your device. You can see the voltage, 18 voltage power system of the cartridge system batteries matches to nearly all product of Makita. You only have to look, it's a star on the bottom side and the yellow ports. If your tools have the yellow ports and the star, it will be matches. And if you're looking at the back side of the battery, you can push this button and you can see this is empty and the first one was full. So let's go. Plug the battery charger to the proper AC voltage source, and you can see the light will flash in green color repeatedly. That means everything is ready to load. Insert the battery cartridge into charger until it stopped adjusting to the guide of charger. Terminal cover of charger can be opened with inserting and closed with pulling out the battery cartridge. It is so easy. When the battery cartridge is inserted, the red charging light will light up and charging will begin with a preset brief melody sound coming out of the assurance as to which sound will come out to notify the completing of charging. That means let it rest there. You can hear the van, but it is okay. The van is for the cool down, and that is important that the van is on, because that will cool down your battery if the loading process is in progress. And then you are going to see the different things, LED things, and that means the charging is complete. There will come a melody. The defective battery, that means the LED with the broken battery is on. And if there is a WAN LED with a cross, that means cooling is abnormality. And of course, do not destroy the battery by fire, and always recycle the batteries. So this is all, and now we have, I think, 45 minutes charging time. Let's have a look. I think that is the 5 ampere hour, 45 until 50 minutes, then it will be done. If you have a bigger one, a 6 ampere hour, maybe this is an hour of loading. But you have, if you have only the 1.5 ampere hour, that will be finished in, I think, 10 minutes or so. That is really fast and easy. And you can load 9.6 voltage, 12 voltage, 14.4 voltage, 18 voltage, all in this device. Really, lithium-ion battery cartridge system. So, wow, you can see and hear when it's finished. With finish of charge, the charging light will be changed from red one to green one, and the melody sounds or buzzer sound. A long beep comes out of notification completion or for the notification of completion. The charging time varies by the temperature. 10 degrees Celsius, that are 50 degrees Fahrenheit, until 40 degrees Celsius, that this are 104 degrees Fahrenheit. That battery cartridge system is charged at end condition of the battery cartridge, such as a battery cartridge which is new or has not been used for a long period of time. After charging, remove the battery cartridge from the charger and unplug the charger. And then the first battery is charged. But you will have a collection of different batteries. Now you can go and plug in these batteries too. And this will charge immediately. Easy and delicious. This is a nice device, easy to use. And of course, you can change the melody into the battery cartridge into the charge, brings out of the last pressed brief melody sound to complete charging. Remove and re-inserting it with 5 seconds after this action. Make the melody sound change. That means only plug it in, let it out, and plug it in again. Every time removing and re-inserting it. Within another 5 seconds after this, the melody sounds change in order. So you can make other sounds with this machine by using only the plug-in and releasing thing of your battery. This charger is equipped with cooling fan for heating battery in order to enable the battery to prove its own performance. Sound of cooling air comes out during cooling, which means no trouble on the charger. I told you before, yellow light will flash for warning. In the following case, trouble on cooling fan, incomplete cool down or battery, such as being clogged with dust. So clean a little bit the device and the battery and plug it back. This is easy, really. Conditional charging can extend the life of battery by automatically searching the optimum charging condition for the battery in every situation. That means you do not have to dip any buttons there, only plug it in and the machine will do everything. The battery employed in the following conditions repeatedly. That means recharge of battery with this high temperature, recharge of battery with a low temperature, recharge or full charge battery over discharge of battery. That means this machine will have an automatic mode, and your only thing to do is plug it in, wait for, I think, 10 until 60 minutes, and then job's done. After this, you can remove it after hearing the sound of the melody, and the van will run a little bit longer after charging. But this doesn't care. After this, you can unplug it. Job's done. Easy going. Really easy. That is a nice device. Makita's fast charger DC18RC. And here you can see there is a van extraction point at the back side. There will come hot air or a little bit hotter air out because of the van. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.